In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Nike stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously, and as a result it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally gets started. My dear friends, this stock is trading almost near to an important resistance, and if that resistance will get break along with multiple positive factors which has been already materialized, then we could see a massive upside rally, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally get trigger. My dear friends, once the resistance will get broke over here, you will find an immediate upside move of 8 to 10% from the current price. This stock was under corrections since from September 2024, and stocks has spent almost 4 months, almost a quarter under corrections. And interestingly, the stock has given both kind of corrections, price wise corrections and time wise correction too. In price wise correction, the stock got deep downside correction, and under time wise correction, the stock has done the sideways consolidation. It has made it it has performed and range, and now it's ready to break the range. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where the corrections got started all way downside in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower low shifted to higher highs, and this is a confirmation that this is a confirmation we got that stock has almost completed the corrections. Here we got a two major positive signal, my dear friends. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever you find the lower lows are getting shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. My dear friends, now if you'll see the diversion over here, if you place an MACD indicators, you will find the diversion over here, the positive diversions. If you'll see the price actions tilting on the downside and the MACD oscillation on the upper side, and this is an area of the breakout. Once we get a breakout over here, you will see a massive upside blow immediately, my dear friends. And now we will see this. If you see over here, we are getting now, if you see the chart structure, I will show you something. If you see the chart structure over here, we are getting a rounding bottom over here. My dear friends, if you make a closer look over here, you will be able to identify the rounding bottom pattern. This is a rounding bottom, and this is a neckline of this rounding bottom. And my dear friends, we have to wait. This is a neckline and there is one more resistance over here, so you have to wait for it. Don't do immature trade. Don't simply go and buy the stock. You have to wait for an closing above this neckline, $81. Once you will see the stock has given a closing above $81, it will break this resistance, and then it's move, it will be moved very quickly, 8 to 10% immediately. Once you will find this stock is giving a closing above $81, very soon you will find the first target of this stock will be $85, and the second target, it will come to close the gap, it will come to fill the gap. The stock will soon go up to fill the gap, and that will be an $87. So my dear friends, this is a resistance, and this will be our targets. Our target will be in blue color, so this will be a two targets. This will be our two target. 85 is the first target, and 87 will be our second target. And my dear friends, I just want to confirm you, once this level get break on closing basis, then this area will act as a very important support, because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have identified the positive diversion between the price action and MACD indicator. And this is an area where we are waiting for a rounding chart pattern to break above the resistance. Once you will find the $81 get break, this resistance will turn into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. My dear friends, this is it for today. If you love my analysis, please give like to my channel, please give like to my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I will bring you a more good content for you, so that you can earn more profit on stock market. My dear friends, thank you. Bye bye, see you soon.